How to buy Uber Shuttle Package. Open the Uber app on your smartphone or tablet, tap the shuttle option, which may be found under transportation or services. Enter your destination to see available scheduled shuttle routes. Select the Uber shuttle option that fits your route and preferred pickup time. Choose the number of seats you want to book for your trip, up to 4 per booking. Review the fixed fare for the route and confirm your booking. Pay for your shuttle package using the Uber app. Note, payments outside of the app like cash are not accepted. After booking, you will receive a confirmation with a QR code and a backup pin for entry onto the shuttle. When the shuttle arrives, scan your QR code or provide the pin to the driver to board. You can book your shuttle seats up to 7 days in advance to secure your spot. If interested in a shuttle package for multiple rides, purchase directly within the Uber app using a payment method linked to your Uber account. Your purchased shuttle package covers trips within the selected time pickup and drop-off radius and will automatically apply to eligible shuttle rides during the package validity point. Subscribe.